Hello guys, welcome to my channel Tech with NiiNana. In this episode, I am going to introduce you to an AI graphic design platform. If it's your first time here, I'll urge you to hit the subscribe button, like this video and leave your comments in the box below. This platform is known as Leonardo Ai. You can download the app or visit their website leonardo.ai. As a new user, you click Create Account to initiate the sign-up process. On the page that we are redirected to, there are options available for us to sign up or log in with our Apple account, Google account or Microsoft account. Or better still, you can create an account with your email and password. In this tutorial, I am going to sign up with my Google account, so I click on the Google account logo. We wait patiently as we get redirected for us to use our Google account to sign up. On this page, you grant the platform the opportunity to use your details to create an account for you. Here, you click Continue and wait patiently for it to load. Now that the account has been created, we can either generate a new image or turn pictures into motion graphics. Have a look around the platform, explore and get familiar. At this point, you are to enter your username and also pick your interest. I mean what you are interested in. If it is advertising, content creation, education or whatever, you just tick them. And also, you have to confirm that you are over 18 years old in order to use the platform. Once all these are done, you can click Next to continue to the next page. This is another tool that has been introduced on the platform. You can either try it out or maybe try it out later and you have your account. These are some of the images generated using the Leonardo AI. Check in my description for a link to sign up now. Kindly subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and leave your questions in the comments box, as this will help us grow together. Thank you for watching and wait on the next episode. See you soon.